Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, the Data Analysis Expo. First of all, I would like to say thanks for every supporters, viewers and friends. Okay guys, in this video, we will analyze the 115 years rainfall dataset in Indian country state. It was start from 1901 to 2015. The dataset provided is google.com. Okay viewers, let's go on the video. Rainfall analysis. This dataset we are analyzing by four way of methods. Then first one is the annual rainfall analysis in every states. Find the rainfall seasons in every year. Then third one is the top 10 states which is having the heavy rainfall. Then final one is seasonal wise rainfall occurred in particular states. For analyzing the rainfall dataset, I will use to suggest the Tableau tool. This tool is one of the best fast growing data visualization tools. So also I have the dataset in Excel format. So I just click the Excel file, click the rainfall dataset, just open it. So it's having some more times to load. Yeah, we are having this dataset. It's having the country, state, year and month wise details. These numeric numbers also represent the rainfall measurements. Like for example is the 2.30 mm. Then also you're having the Jan, Feb and March, May and June, September, October, December wise dataset. Then also having the annual datasets. So I having around 4,000 something records. Just I'm clicking. So 10,000. Yeah, there's 4,116 records rainfall dataset from the year starting 1901 to like 2015 dataset, around 115 years datasets. Okay, let's go on this sheet 1. Now after clicking the sheet 1, here we are having this two types of data, like one is this is the dimensions and this is the measures. Okay, so first of all I would like to drag and drop this country. It's still loading. Yeah, we are having only India data sets. So this India country it was mentioned. So click the show me, then choose this area map. Yeah, well then we have to just moderate, just making the some other this mapping. We need to some alternates, like click map and map layers, disable the base, land cover, state provisions, states, and what else, so country region bar, so country region. Yeah, that's all. So here we got this map. Then yeah, then we need to drag and drop the states in this detailed. After drag and drop the states, then we have this India map, like state wise. The next one is we need to yes, this concept. So we can easily change the shape of this map, like click the attitude map, click the shape. Okay, so the size. We can also choose more other shapes. This default, click weather, so we can choose any other maps. So now play like this. Yeah, so the purpose of this rain, then click and click the dual axis. So these are all represent the rainfall states in this India. Okay, then also we are having the annual, drag to colors. So what this mentions, it mentioned the sum of annual records. So this dark blue mentioned the maximum rainfall occurred in last 115 years. Then also this light color is mentioned the low rainfall occurred in that 115 years. So I would like to change the colors, like this is a low rainfall, sorry, this is a dark blue, white, dark blue and red. Yeah, so I choose this brown color. So just simply click apply. So okay, yeah, this detailed. So this dark blue color is simply mentioned the maximum rainfall occurred in that 115 years from 1901 to 2015. Okay, so I just simply measured value. I would like to change the measure value, like sum, then this is average. Okay, well, so looks good. So this is a maximum average rainfall occurring on this particular states. So from this concept we can easily identify for the which state is having the heavy rainfall from the 1901 to 2015. So this is like one is a coastal Karnataka line, then another one is Arunachal Pradesh. So this is a 3419 and this is a 3408. So the maximum rainfall occurred, there's an average of maximum rainfall occurred in 1901 to 2015 years. So the name of the state is Arunachal Pradesh. Then also this is a eastern Rajasthan state having the very low rainfall occurred in this place, because we already know in this place having a lot of deserts. So we will study about this. Okay, our next topic is find the rainfall seasons in every year. Before going this concept, we must know about our rainfall seasons timing or period in every year. So in India we having the 5 seasonal timing period, like winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. The winter the timing period is the December to January, then spring season is February to March, then summer is April to June, and the monsoon season is July to mid of the September. So the final one is the autumn season, is having the September end to November. So in this data set we are having this period of the time like Jan to February, then June to Sep, then March to May, then October to December. Then also we are having the years. So I'd like to drag and drop the years to rows area. So we are having the years like 1901 to 2015 years. Yeah, good. Then I would like to drag and drop this period of time. So Jan to Feb. So this line also represent the Jan to Feb. It's a rainfall measurement value. Then again I would like to drag to drop the Jan to Feb and March to May. Yeah. And June to Sep. Then October to December. So already I told about you. In this we are having the 4 segmentations. Like I just change the values from sum to average. Okay, so click average. The final one change to average. So from this chart, so I already told in India we have the heavy rainy seasons is occurred in June to September. Okay, so these are all the 20, 40, 60 is all the rainfall measurement. So Jan to Feb, March to May, June to Sep, October to December. In this period of time we have the heavy rainfall occurs in this period of time. So we can, I will visually representation, just a minute. So I would like to change the bar chart to density chart. So like each and every one. So I just increase the size. I just increase the size. Okay, we can, in this graph we can easily identify the density of the dots. Like, so this is Jan to Feb. Its spaces are really having some other spaces in between these dots. So the maximum densities occurred in June to Sep. So this is the monsoon season. So last 1901 to like 2015, so overall 115 years. So the heavy rainfall occurring in between the June to September month. So our next topic is, next method, the top 10 states which is having the heavy rainfall this particular period of time, in between periods like 1901 to 2015. So in this concept I just use the index method. So create the calculating field, type index. So check the calculation is valid. Well, so the purpose of the index is just find the unique values, then assign the number of the unique names. So I just drag the state to rows. So these are all the state names like Andaman, Nicobar, Assam, Bihar, like this, and just move to the column cells. So this blue bar is nothing but it's a value of the annual rainfall measures. I just change the value sum to average. So I just drag the index cells, just click and change to the discrete. So I just already told in the indexes, just assign the value of this name. So totally we have the 36 states. So this method I need to find out, or I need to filter the filter concept. So what's the top 10 states name which is having the heavy rainfall? So I just create the parameter for top n number of states. So it's a float and click OK. I just click the drop down option and show parameter. This is the value represent. I just enter the 10, click enter. There is no changes occurred in this charts. So I just drag the states to the filters, then click the top by the field. It's a top or bottom. I need the top, and I just select the top n states. Then also I click the states and confirmation is a count. So just click apply, then OK. So here I got the result. So these are all the topmost countries, topmost states name list, which is having the heavy rainfall, average heavy rainfall occurred in that particular period of time. If you want to the only have 5 states or 20 states, I just click enter. So these are the heavy rainfall occurred. So I just another representations, this annual sum of annual is dragged into these colors. So this light blue color mention, it's a very lower value of the rainfall. This dark blue measures very heavy rainfall occurred in that particular period of time. Yeah, thanks. This is a final method. So in this method we need to find out some analysis like state-wise rainfall based on the seasons, different seasons like autumn, spring, monsoon. So in this data set we are having the Jan to Feb, then June to September, then March to May, like this. So first of all I just drag and drop the states and the annual measures. So I need to find out the filter the results based on the seasonals. So I just create the parameter. Seasons. Just click string. So I have in the list because I have in the this 4 seasons to Jan to Feb. So I just enter the Jan, Feb, then click outer, then March to May, click outer, then June to September, then the final one is October to December. Yeah, well, So the parameter name is season. It's a data type having a string, so just click OK. Yeah, so I just show the parameter. There's no changes occurring in this particular field. Okay, then I just create the calculated field. Season criteria. So case command season. When is the name, like same Jan to Feb. Then this one. When I click the Jan to Feb, then it shows the result of Jan to Feb. So enter. Then the same thing. So now check the data. This calculation is valid. Okay, click OK. Yes, so I just remove the annual quote, then drag and drop this seasonal wise criteria. Then now choose the Jan to Feb. So guys, this Jan to Feb seasons, the Jammu Kashmir having the heavy rainfall in that particular season. Then also I just click this monsoon season, June to September. Yeah, this June to September, the coastal Karnataka area having the heavy rainfall. So this is the state wise rainfall report based on the seasons. Okay, right. Thank you.